Maybe?
Maybe. I don't think so.
That's probably a small one. Something shitty. Yeah, it's a flounder! Ah, and the skunk is off the boat.
Come on, come here.
13 inches, I think. He ain't there. Look at that.
Look at that.
Hey, the skunk is off. You are right as rain on that.
Yep.
Let's get some more pork out there. What is he? 10? Yeah, maybe 12.
It's 9.
Here, hold him up. Let's get a picture of this almost fish.
Look at that.
All right,
Beautiful.
skunk and not us.
This is 20. I would love to.
Right.
Oh, God.
Yeah. Send him back.
That's 28.
So you'd have to be at halfway there. All right. Release him. Guess what? Mike's changing up his hook. More B-roll. Beautiful clouds. What a nice day. It's chilly. It's 60 something. The water temperature's 45. The herring are down a little south of here. Maybe the max are in the area, but we didn't find them. And we're just trolling in for maybe some holdover schoolies, or really we're just enjoying the day. It's really nice of Benja to lend us his boat while mine's still not working yet. Shout out to Benja. And